friends, in today's video, we present how to get addicted to studying. We would be discussing the top 7 tips and tricks to study effectively. Friends, it's a common misconception that studying has to be boring and tedious. But actually, it doesn't have to be that way. In this video, we are going to show you the top 7 tips and tricks on how to study like a topper and how to make studying an enjoyable and fulfilling experience that you look forward to every day. So friends, let us proceed ahead and enjoy this video. Friends, the first step to getting addicted to studying is to change your mindset. Instead of thinking of studying as a difficult work, think of it as an opportunity to learn and grow. When you approach studying with a positive attitude, then it becomes much easier to get motivated and to stay focused. Friends, another key to getting addicted to studying is to make it a habit. Try to study at the same time every day, even if it's only for a short duration of time. This will help you to build the habit of studying and to make it feel more natural. Friends, one of the best ways to make studying an enjoyable experience is to study with others. Not only will you be able to learn from each other, but you'll also be able to hold each other accountable. Friends, another great way to make studying an enjoyable experience is to track your progress. Set specific goals for yourself and track your progress towards achieving them. This will give you a sense of accomplishment and it will also make it easier to stay motivated. Friends, the next point is find the right study method. Not everyone learns the same way, so it's important to find the method that works the best for you. Whether it's taking notes, making flashcards, or creating mind maps, find a method that makes studying more engaging for you. Friends, the next step is make it fun. Add a fun element to your study sessions by incorporating games, quizzes, or other interactive activities. This can make the studying experience more enjoyable. And friends, the 7th tip is reward yourself. When you achieve a study goal or complete a task, then reward yourself with something you enjoy, like a delicious snack or a short break to watch your favorite TV show, etc. This will make the study sessions feel more exciting and would keep you motivated to continue further. And friends, always keep saying to yourself, I can do it. Always remain positive. So friends, I hope that you have enjoyed this small video on how to get addicted to studying and the top 7 tips and tricks to study effectively. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I would be uploading a new video soon. Friends, in order to watch all my latest videos, do subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. And do click this bell icon to get notifications whenever I publish a new video.